Hey everyone! Withdrawing your earnings from Faucet Crypto is super easy. Let me guide you through the simple steps to get your crypto out. First, look for the withdraw button on your dashboard and give it a click. Now, you'll select the coin you want to withdraw, and then click the next step button. This next part is crucial. You must make sure you have selected the right network for your external wallet. Once you've double-checked, click next step again. Almost there. Now, carefully paste the address from your external wallet into the field and click next step one more time. Take one last moment to recheck everything: the coin, the network, and the address. If it all looks perfect, confirm the details and finally click the withdraw button. And that's it. Your withdrawal request has been sent. It will be processed by the system within 24 hours. Hey everyone! So, you've made a withdrawal from Faucet Crypto. Now let's check to see if it was successful. First, head to the website and click on the Withdraw section. Here, you'll see a list of all your withdrawal requests and their current status. Look, our most recent withdrawal status is marked as completed. Now let's go check our external wallet to confirm we've received it. And there it is. As you can see, we have successfully received the full amount. The transaction ID is also right here for verification. That's all for this guide. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.